Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from Canada to Kenya in 2025. Whether you're supporting family, paying for school fees, or investing abroad, getting money across borders has never been easier with the latest tech and services. Let's dive right in. First off, why 2025? Well, with new regulations and digital advancements, options like mobile apps and online platforms have become faster and more secure. The key players include services like Wise, Western Union, and even your bank's international transfer options. These make sending money straightforward, but you need to know the ins and outs to avoid hidden fees. Let's break it down step by step. Start by choosing a reliable service. For instance, with Wise, you can sign up online in minutes. Just download the app or visit their website, link your Canadian bank account, and enter the recipient's details in Kenya. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, which means you get a fair deal without the markup banks often add. Expect transfers to arrive in 1 to 2 business days, depending on the method. Now, what about costs? Fees vary, but in 2025, you might pay around 1 to 3% per transfer, plus any currency conversion charges. Always compare rates. Apps like Wise or Revolut are usually cheaper than traditional banks. Security is a big deal too. Look for services with two-factor authentication and encryption to protect your info from scams. If you're using a bank, like RBC or TD in Canada, you can initiate a wire transfer, but it might take longer, up to 5 days, and cost more, around $30 to $50 per transaction. For faster options, Western Union offers in-person or app-based sends, perfect for urgent needs, though fees can be higher. One more tip. Check for any 2025 updates on regulations. Canada and Kenya have agreements to make remittances smoother, so verify exchange controls or required documentation on official sites. And remember, always use reputable services to avoid risks. There you have it, folks. Sending money from Canada to Kenya doesn't have to be complicated. Pick the method that fits your budget and needs, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.